Tonight we're going to dive into the topic of families and different ways on how you can successfully put your family first. Recently I had the opportunity to visit with Patty Noss from It Takes a Village in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and here's what happened. So Patty, thank you so much for joining us today to talk about your organization, which is called It Takes a Village.
That's correct.
Wonderful. So tell us a little bit about what your organization does.
What we're doing in partnering with several counties in Pennsylvania is really hoping to help unveil the vision of the Pennsylvania Supreme Court and the Department of Public Welfare in their belief that there truly needs to be a shift in practice in how do we interact with families and children that we serve. And what we're doing is implementing as part of that core something called family group conferencing. And family group conferencing truly is an opportunity for families to come together who have found their way into systems such as child welfare, juvenile probation, even the schools when we're experiencing issues.
I'd like to welcome to the studio today Darla Hively from Senior Solutions, as well as Billy Weiss. So welcome, Darla.
Nice to meet you.
And welcome, Billy.
Thank you.
Good. So Darla, would you please explain to us what Senior Solutions is all about?
Yes. Senior Solutions is a geriatric care management agency. A geriatric care manager is a professional that you come to be your advisor, advocate, and guide for seniors. People come to us to help them develop a plan of care, either for themselves or a family member, a spouse, or a loved one. Because aging is not always easy in our society. And we've never done this before. People have never lived to be the ages that they are reaching before, and they're doing so with not always as much good health as they had in earlier ages. And so we help people navigate, develop a plan, help them implement that plan, educate them as to the resources that are available in the community. We can also help monitor seniors in any environment that they live in. Because even though we like to put families first, we can't always physically be there to do that.
So your company is a way for people to make sure that they're not forgetting about their responsibility to their older members of their family, and to make sure that they're covered by the supports and services you offer.
Correct.
Wow, very good. So we're back, and we're joined today by Michelle Motzko and Jack Gerasi from Lehigh Valley Health Network. And so welcome to the show.
Thank you
Michelle.
very much.
And welcome, Jack.
Thank you.
Good. So we're talking today about putting families first. So please tell us how the Lehigh Valley Health Network works to do that. So Michelle, please start.
Thank you. My focus as the emergency room case manager, I really like to focus in on those patients that are coming into the emergency room. Many of the patients that we see are coming in under a crisis situation. We see a lot of times families are coming in, they don't know what to do with their loved one, so they bring them to the emergency room. And one example I'd like to share with you is we had a patient that came in and was previously at a skilled nursing facility, and her son decided to take her out of the nursing home to try to provide good quality care to her at home, and found it really wasn't working out at home. He had services in place, but it wasn't working out. So he didn't know what to do, brought his mom into the emergency room, and realized again she wasn't making it at home. So I immediately intervened and made some referrals and was able to safely have her transferred right from the emergency room to a skilled nursing home.
Wow.